going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest, fastest, and probably cheapest way to make your car sound louder, so stay tuned. Alright, so before I get into it, I just want to say really quickly, if you're not already, hit that subscribe button. Anyways, let's get into it. So this is going to apply for a lot of cars. I'm actually doing it specifically on my BMW 435. So this car has an N55. Thankfully, these cars actually sound really good, just the way that they are stock. I do also have an air intake, which makes the car sound a little better. It brings out like the turbo noise and whatnot, but I have nothing done to the exhaust. I've been debating like doing like a muffler delete or maybe like a resonator delete or something like that, but that takes a lot of commitment. And also this car is going to be a daily, so I don't know if I want that drone. But yeah, the other day I was playing with this app and I found a really cool way to make your car sound louder, and it's literally just using an app. So let me show you. So if you guys are familiar with Beamer Code, this app is called BimmerLink. So it's actually a sister app to Beamer Code. So Beamer Code, you can actually code your car and add some like additional features. I did a whole bunch of videos on Beamer Code, so if you guys didn't watch that already, definitely check it out. I'll leave links down in the description below. But BimmerLink is more of like a, I guess more of like a maintenance app in a way. So you can actually use it to check like fault codes and stuff like that. But one of the cool things about it is you can actually open up the flap on your exhaust. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so here's the rear end of the car. Again, this is a BMW 435, so it has the N55. So it does have two exhaust, I guess like ports or tips over here. I know this will definitely apply for like a 335. I'm not sure about like the 328s and the 428s, but this will definitely apply for the 435, I believe the 440s, 340s, and 335s for sure. But yeah, if you guys didn't know already, basically, I forget which one exactly, but one of these has a flap inside. So basically, when the car is at low speeds or not really revving too high, the flap will stay closed. And then when the car goes faster or revs higher, the flap will open, basically making the car louder and, you know, kind of creating some extra airflow. So what we're gonna do is actually permanently open up that flap using BimmerLink. Instead of it being closed for most of the time, it's gonna be opened all the time. So it should make the car sound louder. It's not gonna be, you know, too dramatic, but it will make it louder. So I will show you some before and after clips at the end of the video, so definitely stick around for that. But right now, let me show you really quickly how to actually do that using BimmerLink. All right, so I'm back in the car. I'm gonna show you guys really quickly how to use BimmerLink. Again, it's gonna be very similar to Beamer Code. So if you guys watch those videos already, or if you're familiar with Beamer Code, it's going to be very similar. So basically, to use BimmerLink, you need to connect your car to your cell phone. You download the app on the App Store or Google Play Store, whatever phone you use. Download the BimmerLink app. You do need to pay for the full version, so the app does cost about like 30 bucks. It's not only used for this exhaust thing, it can be used again to check like fault codes and a whole bunch of other stuff on your car. So it's definitely a good app to have just in general. This is just one of the many cool features you can do with the app. So then you need to connect your phone to the car, and the way you can do that is using an OBD adapter with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So I'm using a Bluetooth VPEAK adapter. I will leave links for this if you want the same exact one in the description down below. So this is what it looks like outside the box. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm like in the direct sunlight right now, so yeah, I think that's upside down. Anyway, so this is actually what it looks like. So if you guys can see this right over here, so that plugs into your OBD port. So if you guys aren't familiar with where those are in your car, I'll show you really quickly. All right, so if you guys didn't know already, this is where the OBD port is located on these cars. So it's basically down over here by the driver's side, and if you guys can see that, it's basically like right over here. So super easy to find. But yeah, that's where we're gonna be basically plugging in this adapter over here, and then connecting this via Bluetooth to our cell phone. But yeah, so you basically do is you connect this to your OBD port in your car, and then you connect your phone to this via Bluetooth, and then you basically use BimmerLink to, you know, like play around with your car and whatnot and open up the exhaust flaps. So let me show you exactly what it looks like in the app. Okay, so I tried this once and unfortunately the audio just randomly cut out on me. So I'm gonna try it one more time. So to open up the exhaust flap using BimmerLink, you of course need to first download the app. You need to have your OBD connector connected to the car. The car needs to be on. And then with that said, you're gonna open up the app. So just click on it there. You're gonna press on connect. So a couple things to note here. So if you press on connect and it gives you some type of like error saying like OBD connector can't be detected or something like that, what you basically want to do is go to the bottom right over here, press on settings, and then you want to go to adapter, the very first one. And then you basically just want to select which adapter you have. So you do have to pre-select which adapter you're using. So of course I'm using VPEAK. So again, if you use the links down in the description below to get yours, that's the one that you're going to be using as well. So just make sure you select that. And then after that, you can go back, press on done, and then press on connect. So once you press on connect, it's going to ask you what kind of car you have. So if you have like a BMW 4 Series, 3 Series, whatever series you have, just pick the one that applies to you and then pick the adapter, and then you should be able to connect. Since I've already done this, once I press on connect, it should just start to connect automatically. Now this is going to take a little while to load, similar to Beamer codes, so I'm just going to skip ahead for this. All right, so once it loads, this is the landing screen here. I will probably do another video on like BimmerLink in general and other things you can do with it, but right now we're just going to focus on the exhaust flap. So at the very top right, this one over here, you just want to press on that. So once it loads, it's super easy. There's literally 3 options and they're massive. You can't miss them. But right now the car is on auto, so that's basically default. So again, if the car is just driving normally, the flap will be closed, and then once it kind of accelerates, the flap will open up. But we want it open all the time. So what you basically do is you simply press on open. And then with that, you should actually hear the flap open up in the back. And then if you want to close all the time, which I'm not sure why you would, but I mean, if you do, you just press on close. And again, you should hear the flap close in the back over there. But yeah, I'm going to leave it on open, so I'm just going to press on that. Once you select whatever one you want, you basically just press on back at the top left over there. Press on disconnect. Confirm it right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's super easy. Again, comparing it to Beamer code, you actually have to code the card, the ECU will reset and all that type of stuff. And you know, it's a little more, I guess, like, I don't want to say like questionable, but you know, you are coding. This, like, it's no coding. What's really cool is actually when you press on open and close, you can actually hear the exhaust flap opening and closing in the back. So let me show you guys what that sounds like. Yeah, that sounds pretty cool in my opinion. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but yeah, anyways, you can put the exhaust to open all the time, closed all the time. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but you can if you want to. And then you can put it on automatic. So automatic is basically like default, so it's going to open when it needs to. But yeah, that's really it. It's really that simple. So as long as you have the app, again, the app is like 30 bucks, and then you guys need these like adapters right over here. Again, I think I'm holding it upside down, which I am. So you guys need these adapters right over here. So once you have those, you should be set. These adapters are probably like 30 bucks. Again, links down in the description below if you want the same exact one that I use. Anyways, I'm gonna stop stalling. I'll show you guys a couple clips of what the car sounds like with the flap closed and then with the flap open. Again, basically kind of getting like a before and after when you open this up and stuff. So yeah, let me cut to that right now. Alright, so like I was saying, it's super easy and super quick. Again, maybe like 60 bucks with the app and then with the adapter as well. But the thing is, like, the app you can use for multiple things, and then this adapter you can use it also for multiple things, obviously with BimmerLink and then also Beamer code as well. So yeah, you're paying 60 bucks, but it's not like you're paying 60 bucks just for this exhaust flap, you know, modification, whatever you want to call it. So in my opinion, I think it's a pretty good investment, but let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Anyways, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. Again, it's a super quick one, so if you guys found that video entertaining or helpful, drop me a like, it helps me out. Also, leave me a comment, let me know, can you guys tell the difference with the flap open and close? Like, does it make that much of a difference? And then lastly, if you're not already, hit that subscribe button, it's free, I make videos often, and hit that notification bell. But yeah, anyways, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.